In our example, we've got a sequence 2, 7, 12, and 17. We have to find out what the 200th term of this sequence is. The best way to do this is to come up with a formula, and that's what we're going to have a look at. Let's start by putting all our information into a table. On the first row of the table is the term number, and we're going to use the variable n to represent our term number. So our term numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to find out with term number 200 what the value of the sequence in the sequence would be. On the second row of the table is our answer, and we're going to use the variable tn in our formula to represent the answer. So the answer for term 1 is going to be 2, for term 2 is going to be 7, for term 3, 12, and so on. And we want to find out what the answer, or Tn, will be for the 200th term. The first thing we're going to do to find our formula is to have a look at how much is being skipped in the term. This one is quite simple. All we have to do is take our second term and work out what the difference is between that one and the first term. The second term is 7. The first term is 2. And we subtract the 2 from each other. 7 take away 2 leaves us with 5. 5 is going to be the first value of our formula. So there we've got 5. Then next to the 5 we're going to put in brackets the term number. For at this stage of the formula we're going to use term 1 just to make sure that our formula works fine, or we have to adjust it. So let's put in 1, which is the term number that we're going to use. Going to put 1 in there and have a look if our formula works. There we've got 5 times 1. 5 next to the 1 is 5 times 1. 5 is too much. We're looking for a 2, not a 5. So to get to 2 from 5, we have to subtract 3. And I'm going to put this at the end of our formula. Subtract 3. Now it works fine. Our answer, Tn, is 5 times 1, which is 5. Take away 3, leaves us with 2. So it works. We can try this out for any other term. Let's substitute the 1 with a 3. 5 times 3 will give us 15, but we have to take away 3, and that'll leave us with 12. So we know that our formula works. Our final formula is going to be 5 times whatever we want to substitute for the term number n, take away 3. And now we can put any term in. So if we want to work out what the 200th term is, we start with Tn equals 5, and then in brackets we're going to put in 200, because 200 is the term that we want to find the answer to. Take away 3. 5 times 200 will give us 1000, but we still have to take away 3. 1000 take away 3 leaves us with 997. And there's our final answer. The 200th term of that sequence will be 997.